Central and Eastern Europe, abbreviated CEE, is a generic term for the group of countries in Central Europe, Southeast Europe, Northern Europe and Eastern Europe, usually meaning former communist states in Europe. It is in use after the collapse of the Iron Curtain in 1989 Euro 90. In scholarly literature the abbreviations CEE or CEEC are often used for this concept. Definitions: the term CEE includes all the Eastern Bloc countries west of the post-World War II border with the former Soviet Union, the independent states in former Yugoslavia, and the three Baltic states Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania that chose not to join the CIS with the other 12 former republics of the USSR. The transition countries in Europe are thus classified today into two political economic entities, CEE and CIS. The CEE countries are further subdivided by their accession status to the European Union, the 8 first-wave accession countries that joined the EU in May 1, 2004, the 2 second-wave accession countries that joined in January 1, 2007 and the third-wave accession country that joined in July 1, 2013. According to the World Bank, the transition is over for the 10 countries that joined the EU in 2004 and 2007. It can be also understood as all countries of the Eastern Bloc. CEE includes the following former socialist countries, which extend east from the border of Germany and south from the Baltic Sea to the border with Greece: Estonia, member of the European Union and NATO; Latvia, member of the European Union and NATO; Lithuania, member of the European Union and NATO; Poland, member of the European Union and NATO; Germany, member of the European Union and NATO; Czech Republic, member of the European Union and NATO; Slovakia, member of the European Union and NATO; Hungary, member of the European Union and NATO; Romania, member of the European Union and NATO; Bulgaria, member of the European Union and NATO; Slovenia, member of the European Union and NATO; Croatia, member of the European Union and NATO; Albania, member of NATO; Bosnia-Herzegovina, Kosovo, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia. Other former communist countries in Europe, which are members of CIS, are sometimes included in CEE: Belarus, Moldova, Ukraine, Russia. In addition, Austria was not a communist country during the Cold War, but it is sometimes included in CEE. The definition of the region varies, depending on a source. The term Central and Eastern Europe has by now displaced the alternative term East Central Europe in the context of transition countries, mainly because the abbreviation ECE is ambiguous. It commonly stands for Economic Commission for Europe rather than East Central Europe. See also, Central Europe, Central and Eastern European Online Library, East Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Regions of Europe, References.